Pakistan's capital Islamabad once again the scene of protest. On Monday, the ruling alliance staged a rare, massive demonstration against the Supreme Court's decision to declare last week's arrest of former Prime Minister Imran Khan unlawful. Accusing the Supreme Court of double standards, coalition partners demanded the Chief Justice resign.
We hope to achieve rule of law in this country because decisions of the Supreme Court seem to be biased towards a political party and against a political party. And it has never happened that an accused on physical remand has been granted release by an apex court.
On May 9, paramilitary forces arrested Khan at the Islamabad High Court complex on corruption charges. His arrest led to 3 days of violent and deadly protests. After the nation's top court declared Khan's arrest illegal, the federal court granted him 2 weeks bail and prohibited his arrest until Wednesday.
What does Imran Khan do? He incites the people. He incites his workers and the judiciary. He tries to exert pressure on the judiciary. So we want our voices to be heard as well.
Maulana Fazlur Rahman, leader of a religious political party, called on coalition partners to gather in front of the Supreme Court on Monday.
The government tried to dissuade the organizers of the rally from holding their protest in front of the Supreme Court because of security concerns. But Maulana Fazlur Rahman, the man who is leading the 13-party ruling coalition, refused.
As negotiations to move the protest venue failed, Rahman's supporters broke through the gates to the high-security red zone. Along with police and paramilitary forces, a huge contingent of volunteer guards allied with Rahman's party maintained order at the site where thousands of people from across Pakistan had gathered.
Our responsibility is to not let anyone come close to important buildings and to protect them like we protect our own homes.
A member of Khan's party and its legal team called the protest improper and irrelevant.
Yes, you can hold a judgment, the reasoning of the judgment you can criticize it, you can hold rallies against it, but you can't hold rallies against a court or the judges for giving a judgment.
The pro-government march happened despite a prohibition on gatherings of more than 5 people. The legal advisor for Khan's party called it a selective application of the law, saying his party was not allowed to hold mass gatherings. Hundreds of Khan supporters were detained in violent protests last week. Sara Zaman, VOA News, Islamabad.